Today I wanted to show you some new products that I just received just the other day. And these are the new Gold products that I've been promoting for the last week or so. Now, I had a small sampling in this Stylist bag deal, but it wasn't really everything that I needed to show. And so I ordered some personally. This is their dry hairspray. And how you can tell the difference between the hairsprays is that this one has a D on it and the other one has an F on it for flexible. So these are just two of their aerosols, and these are the ones that I figured that most of my clients are going to get the most use out of, especially as far as retail. They have another one for stylists called Session Hairspray, but that one is more for stylists and not as much of a retail item. So I didn't really order that one, but I'll probably order it on my next go round. But I wanted to play a little clip of our official launch with Gold Haircare, with the founder, and his name is Victor, and he's one of the two founders. He's a stylist, and he used to be with Sebastian years ago, and the other founder, Marco, he was with Schwarzkopf. So these two hairdressers came together. They wanted to totally change and bring back the way things used to be, where their products weren't just sold everywhere online. And so they created a line by stylists for stylists. One of the cool things about this brand is it's eco-friendly. It's made in Denmark. Well, actually, it's designed in Denmark, and a lot of products are made in different places in Europe. I think in Switzerland, and also probably most of them are made in Italy. But you got to understand, they're under a lot of stringent rules as far as ingredients and things that they can use. So, these are the healthiest products that you can get, but they don't just make it totally green for green's sake. They make it for performance first. So this is a vegan brand, and they put a lot of love into this product brand. So it's been around since 2008. So it's not something brand new, but the good news is it's totally brand new to the US. The Salon Center is actually, they spent last year really researching this brand and doing their due diligence. And, we decided to bring this brand in because we wanted a totally exclusive, unique hair care brand that really hasn't been out there. So nobody in my area even has it hardly. I mean, I've sold a few of the Try Me kits so they can get acquainted with it. And so far the feedback has been very positive. So right now, this is a brand that nobody else has. Nobody actually has it in their salon, at least in my area. I think it's already been sold in like some places in Tampa, Orlando, maybe South Florida. But this is a great opportunity for stylists and salons to get on board with this. And then customers, how would you like to have an affordable luxury brand that it's not going to break the bank? I mean, most of these products retail in the range of $36 to $38 retail. And I think there's one product that retails for $42, but I believe the hairsprays retail for $38. And these are 13.5 ounce or something like that, 400 mLs, but good size can of spray. And I just wanted to play this clip from the official launch, and my video is out there, and I'll put a link to that video in the description if you want to go watch that. But take a look at this.
Hairsprays.
This is Victor,
and I have to warn some of you guys. Yes, they have a little bit of inspiration from the old hairsprays from Sebastian.
Yes. Wait, say that again.
They do have a little bit of inspiration from the old Sebastian hairsprays.
Okay.
The old ones.
Which are the best.
Which everybody tries to.
So,
industry.
Yeah.
That's it. Now you know it.
Oh, dry hairspray. So our dry hairspray is 4 to 5 on the hold factor. What I love about this the most is this is a really good strong hold hairspray that's good for consumers, good for clients. It comes out dry, a little bit of shine to it, definitely buildable, but where you spray your hair is where it's going to stay. So get that client, they get their bangs just right, they just want to set it and forget it and not have to worry about it again. this is going to be the hairspray for them. Long lasting hold, and no white flakiness when you brush it out. Just really good, strong hold. In comparison, I like to do this with the Session Hairspray. Our Session Hairspray is also a 4 out of 5 on the hold factor. What's different about our Session Hairspray is this is a half wet, half dry spray. So you're gonna spray this in the hair and then you have about 5 to 10 seconds before that hair really sets. So you're gonna get really good shine from this hairspray and the strongest of the holds. Our flexible spray is going to be our heavy hitter in the salon. Everyone is going to use this. It's great for updo work, any kind of just building up the hair, working the hair. It's buildable. You're about a 3 on the hold factor with the flexible hairspray. Also, what I love about this the most is you could brush this completely out and it's going to feel like nothing in your hair afterwards. So you have really good longevity to the product. It's going to build well, it's going to hold well, but when you want it to kind of dissipate and go away and start over, you can without any kind of residue.
So here's dry hairspray. It's ideal for quick, firm styling whenever you need a long-lasting look. The quick drying formula provides shine and firm hold while building spectacular volume. Perfect for big, full-on glamorous hairstyles. The key features, it's got a 5 out of 5 hold level, adds shine, light formula, ultra dry finish, easy to brush through, provides maximum control, and it's weightless. Flexible hold hairspray. Gives you weightless control. It's specially designed quick dry hairspray, provides a flexible, brushable, and touchable finish. Its exclusive ultra fine mist is easy to use to create and control your style. The weightless spray delivers volume and flexible movement for a relaxed, vibrant look without leaving any residue. Ideal for updos and relaxed hold styles, keeps your look in place without overdoing it. So this is more like your working spray. Light formula, ultra fine mist, weightless, ultra dry, easy to brush, perfect for updos, adds slight shine, no product buildup, and it gives you a hold factor between 2 to 3 out of 5. So again, like I said, the previous one, the dry hairspray is going to be your firmer hold, and then your flexible hairspray is going to be, all about your working spray. This is one of the things that it wasn't in the manual. I don't think it's anywhere in the manual. It's one of their newer products. But I ordered this for my wife, and for one, I wanted to have one so I can show it around. But I think this is going to be a hot little item for the holidays. You can see how small it is, but what it is, it's a lip gloss. Retails for $14, and you just unscrew it, and that's what it looks like. It's got like a coconutty fragrance. Smells good. My wife tried it last night, and she didn't want me to take it. She's like, everybody's going to sniff it, they're going to touch it, they're going to taste it. I'm like, no, they're not. I'm just going to show it, but she wanted me to order another one, so that'll be in my order for tomorrow. But that's the lip balm. And then I ordered a couple other things. I needed something for my hair, and then one of the things that he really mentioned in the presentation was they have a Scalp Relief Shampoo. I've had problems with my scalp for many years, and I've tried every shampoo, all kinds of different shampoos to see if it was the shampoo that was bothering me. I don't know. I may have psoriasis. I checked with my dermatologist. They didn't know what the heck was going on. But anyway, I thought this would be a really good thing to try. And one of the things that the shampoos that come in the bag, because they're in regular tubes, it doesn't really show off what all the other shampoos look like. This is the packaging for the others. This is what it looks like. And what I like about it is it's got a really cool top. Instead of like a pop top or unscrew or whatever, check this out. You turn this top and it flips open, and you can see the opening right there. So I thought that was kind of neat. The Scalp Relief Shampoo is a gentle yet powerful shampoo created to soothe an itchy, dry scalp and prevent dandruff. So that's kind of like what I've had. I don't really think I've had dandruff, but it's always red, it itches, and I just thought this might be something to try, so I ordered it for myself. So it says a relief complex with ginger, frankincense, and grape extract, combined with highly effective pyroperictone or something like that, olumine, has deeply purifying and antibacterial properties that soothe and protect the condition of your scalp. And after I used it for the first time, it did feel like it soothed my scalp. It helps rebalance the scalp and inhibit the growth of bacteria and yeast while reducing redness and discomfort. This shampoo protects the hair from damage caused by UV rays and heat styling while also helping to reduce color fading as you wash. Leaves the hair and scalp naturally clean and refreshed. So this is how you use it. You massage into the scalp, creating a rich lather, then wait 3 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Research shows that after just 6 weeks of treatment with this shampoo and complex, I can't even pronounce that, dandruff decreases by 80%. To achieve the best result, never mix or use with other shampoos. Finish the treatment with your favorite gold conditioner for extra smoothness. So he really emphasized this in the presentation, is that he said you got to make sure you stay on this for 6 weeks to get the optimal results. Now, I'm going to try it until this bottle is gone, and hopefully it'll last me a good long time. It doesn't, these shampoos don't take much product. They say you use about half as much as you would normally use. And, hopefully I can rinse this off, but let me just show you. I don't know if you can see that. That's what it looks like. And so it's not as thick as the other shampoo that I use with the Dream Come True, or the Dream Shampoo and the Come True conditioner, but it's more liquidy, but it smells really nice. I can't even describe what it smells like, but probably the description kind of says it all. I also decided to get their daily detoxing shampoo. What this is going to be for are all of those people that they get hair color, or they have like a lot of residue on their hair. It's a non-stripping deep cleansing shampoo, so it's not going to strip your color. And that removes excess oil, hard water deposits, and we've got lots of those in Florida. We have that big problem. Pollution and product buildup, including residue from styling waxes. So if you use any of those kind of heavy styling products, or things that will that are hard to remove from the hair, this is a great product to use on that. This shampoo also works as an excellent heavy metal detox and MEA remover after coloring and bleaching. So a lot of the hair color brands that claim to be ammonia free, well, they have to use something else to get the results. And so most of the other brands that are ammonia free, they use MEA. This actually helps remove that. So this is an exclusive complex of alpha hydroxy acids derived from orange and lemon fruit, provides a light conditioning and refreshing experience. The combination of natural fruit extracts and detoxifying properties works to leave your hair clean, detoxified, and free of MEA, interference that can affect the quality and result of your color, leaving your hair weightless while restoring its natural shine. Protects the hair from damage caused by UV rays and heat styling while also helping to reduce color fading as you wash. Now, one of the things that he mentioned during the presentation, if you really look at everything that this does, and because they don't have a volume shampoo that's named a volume shampoo, I think he said most definitely they're going to change the name of this to being not just a detoxifying shampoo, but a volumizing shampoo, because that's basically what it's doing. It's removing everything that can cause the hair to be weighed down. So, and it's safe for hair color, so don't feel like because it's detoxifying that it's going to be stripping or damaging to your hair color. Everything here that they sell is color protective or color safe. Let me see what this one looks like. Kind of like the other one. Smells exactly like the other one too. These, because they are a fashion house, and being European, they use a lot of fragrances that they use in Europe. So a lot of people, when they smell these fragrances, and especially if they're from Europe, they say, "Oh, this smells like home." How do you use this one? Lather in wet hair, massage the scalp, and work through the scalp and hair for 1 to 2 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. If extra conditioner is needed, follow with the gold conditioner for increased smoothness and shine. Okay, purification level, deep, yet color safe and non-stripping for all hair types and textures that need detoxing. Deep detoxing result provides volumes, hence this is the reason why they're changing the name, because a lot of people don't even know that they need the detoxifying shampoo if they have fine hair. So this is their answer to that. UV protection, seductive fragrance. Oh, that's the name, seductive fragrance. Key ingredients: orange, lemon, alpha hydroxy acids. NOI, 100% active ingredients. I don't even know what that means, but heavy metal detox and MEA remover. If you haven't already gotten on board with this and checked it out, now's the time to do it. You know, be one of the first salons to get on the ground floor of an exclusive brand. If you're tired of seeing, you know, the brands that you bring on end up in retail that are on Amazon, or maybe the manufacturer is selling directly to your clients, you know, I don't know about you, but I'm tired of that. I want to promote exclusive brands that don't do all that stuff. And this company actually is, you know, all about that. This is from one of their shows that they did. I think you'll like this. How amazing. These are amazing products that, you know, have a big following in Europe, but, you know, it's brand new to the US. So my goal is to make this brand my #1 hair care brand in for the salon center, or for my clients. Because first and foremost, I got to promote a brand that I know is performance based, that's high quality, and that's gonna, you know, that's going to be exclusive. That's going to be something that, you know, when the hairdressers with my clients, when they're showing it to their clients, they have to come back to them to get it. And it's just only fair that, you know, if they do the work, if they do the promoting, and they're using products on their clients' hair, they should get the sale. Okay. So that's just my 2 cents worth. I believe that, you know, you should support your hairdresser. If you're a consumer watching this, you know, they know your hair better than anybody. So give them the chance to show you these products. And if your hairdresser doesn't already have this, which chances are they don't, because most of my clients don't even have even the Stylist bag deal yet. So tell them about this. Share this video. Share some of my other videos and get them to look into it and bring it on. Because if you want a high quality product that's affordable luxury brand, then this is the one you need to get. Be sure to check the first comment or check in the description if you want the full official product manual so you can learn all about all of their products that they have. Just click on the link and you can download it to your device. All right. Take care. Have a great day.